Hi there, my name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about business and crypto. The title for today's video is what do Bitcoin ETFs mean for Bitcoin and also for you? I've organized this video into 6 different sections, so you can look at the timestamps in the description and then start with any section that you find most appealing. I would like you to watch the whole video, but you can watch any section you want first and then get through the video that way. Question number 1, what is an ETF? An ETF is an exchange traded fund. Number 2, what are the benefits of an ETF? The benefits of an ETF are, the principal benefit in regards to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, is that an ETF allows institutional investors, so these are large companies like BlackRock, and I'm going to talk about which particular companies have Bitcoin ETFs being reviewed by the Securities and Exchange Commission later in the video. So an ETF allows institutional investors the ability to get some exposure and to invest in Bitcoin without having to buy Bitcoin and then hold and having cold storage and seed phrases and all of that. That's quite complex when it's on such a large scale. So the Bitcoin ETF will give those institutional investors the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. 3, which companies have a Spot Bitcoin ETF currently being reviewed by the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States? I'm going to list those companies now, and then you'll see there's some very large names there, and then we'll talk a bit more after that. So BlackRock, it's Bitwise, it's Wisdom Tree, it's Invesco, it's Valkyrie, it's ARK Invest, it's Van Eyck, it's Fidelity, Wise, it's Grayscale, iShares, Hashdex and Franklin. Those are the 12 companies who have Spot Bitcoin ETFs being reviewed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Key point here for this video is the next one, which is number 4. What is likely to happen when these Spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved? So a number of approaches, a number of applications have been made to get Spot ETFs approved, and so far they've been unsuccessful, but now they're all being reviewed at the same time, and there's a belief within the market, within the cryptocurrency circles, that this approval will come through in the period between November, the month obviously I'm making this video, potentially February, but perhaps January. The approvals will come through for all of them. When the approval is granted to all of these 12 Spot Bitcoin ETFs, this will mean that large institutions like BlackRock, Grayscale, etc. are free to take their clients' money and invest in Bitcoin. They will be investing in what I might call a virtual Bitcoin. They're not buying Bitcoin on any personal basis. They're buying it wrapped in this ETF, exchange traded fund. This will mean that there'll be greater investor confidence in Bitcoin ETFs, but also in Bitcoin itself. So greater confidence in an investment asset means that more money will pour into it, and the price will undoubtedly go up. This is not investment advice, of course. I'm not your financial advisor, but the price of Bitcoin is more than likely going to go up when the Spot ETFs are approved. That's the important piece of information. Now, in terms of Bitcoin ETFs around the world, because I've focused there on Bitcoin ETFs in the US, being a key market for cryptocurrency, of course. Question number 5, do other countries already have Bitcoin ETFs? The answer to that is yes. So in Brazil, in Canada, and recently in the European Union, Bitcoin ETFs have been approved and are now trading, so that institutional investors can invest in Bitcoin. Question 6, what does this mean to you? This is the most important part of this video. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've got here, well done. If you have invested in Bitcoin in the past, or you're one of these people who are considering investing in Bitcoin, now that you know Spot Bitcoin ETFs are on the way and they're close to being approved, this is a great opportunity to invest in Bitcoin because the price is likely to rise. And this is in advance of the Bitcoin halving. And if you don't know the significance of the Bitcoin halving, please watch my video, and I'll put a link to that on the screen now. Then the price is going to go up when the BTFs are approved. The price is likely to go up when the Bitcoin halving is approaching as well. So these are great moments for people who are potential Bitcoin investors, and also for people who are already invested in Bitcoin. This is a very significant market move, and you'll see the price reflecting these positive inflows into Bitcoin over the next weeks and months. I hope you found this short video useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. Don't forget to check out my socials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.